the Middle East, the fate of the remaining hostages held by Hamas is up in the air, and the precarious ceasefire between Hamas and Israel is in danger of collapsing. All this comes as President Trump hosts the King of Jordan at the White House. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
Tracy, President Trump said today he believes Gaza could be a diamond and a tremendous asset for the Middle East. And he said people in the Middle East want peace and a good life like other people. Outside the West Wing, President Donald Trump welcomes the King of Jordan. Before the two sit down to talk, I asked the president,
President, is Saturday still your deadline for Hamas, sir? Sir, is Saturday still your deadline for Hamas? Do you think they'll listen to you?
Moments later, inside, the president further discussed his deadline for Hamas to release the hostages, and not a few at a time.
So I don't want to do 2 and then we do another 2 in another week and then we do 4 in 3 weeks. No. They either have them out by Saturday at 12 o'clock or all bets are off.
Hamas saying today that dozens of hostages would only be returned if all parties remain committed to a ceasefire deal reached last month. Hamas is accusing Israel of violating the ceasefire agreement, including by not allowing a surge of tents and shelters into Gaza. Meanwhile, the Israeli military says Shlomo Mansour, an 85-year-old Israeli man who is thought to be alive and in Hamas captivity, was killed during the 2023 attack and his body taken to Gaza. Also in the Oval Office, Trump discussing his proposal to develop Gaza, which he says would be magnificent for the Palestinians.
There is nothing to buy. It's Gaza. It's a war-torn area. We're going to take it. We're going to hold it. We're going to cherish it. We're going to get it going eventually, where a lot of jobs are going to be created for the people in the Middle East.
And the King of Jordan told reporters about his plan to rescue children in Gaza who are battling serious illness.
One of the things that we can do right away is take 2,000 children that are either cancer children or in very ill state to Jordan as quickly as possible, and then wait for, I think, the Egyptians to present their plan on how we can work with the president to work on the Gaza challenges.
If the ceasefire falls apart between Israel and Hamas, the war could resume next month in March. Meanwhile, in the Oval Office, President Trump said he doesn't think Hamas will make that Saturday deadline. He thinks Hamas wants to play the tough guy. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.